What's the meaning of changeover? Changeover. Changeover.
Changeover. Changeover. Changeover refers to the process of switching from one system or mode to another. It often involves stopping one operation and starting another, with the aim of achieving a smooth transition with minimal disruption. The result of a changeover depends on the context in which it occurs. In some cases, it may lead to improved efficiency, reduced costs, or enhanced performance. However, if not managed properly, a changeover can also result in delays, errors, or other negative outcomes that may impact productivity and profitability.